In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the contact form and email in your Shopify theme. Let's start by updating the email address that Shopify uses as the sender for your store notifications. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This will open a new page with a menu on the left-hand side. In that left panel, find and click on Notifications. On the notifications page, the first section you should see is labeled Sender Email. This is the email address that appears as the sender when customers receive automated messages from your store. In the field provided, type in the new email address you want to use as your sender email. Make sure this is an email you have access to, since you'll need to verify it. After entering the new email, click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. You'll probably see a note on the right side of that field saying that the email is unverified. To fix that, go to the inbox of the email address you just entered. Look for a verification email from Shopify. Open that email and click on the Verify Email button inside. Once you've done that, your new sender email will be confirmed and ready to use. Next, let's update and style your contact form in the theme editor. Head back to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, click Online Store. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit. This opens the theme editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see a page selector, which usually defaults to the home page. Click on that selector, then in the drop-down, choose Pages and select your contact page. This might be called Contact or Contact Us, depending on how your store is set up. Once the contact page is loaded in the editor, look at the left panel for the contact form section and click it. Here, you can adjust the overall layout, including direction, alignment, position, and the space between elements. You can change the size by adjusting width and height, and customize the appearance by choosing a color scheme, adding background media like an image or video, setting borders, and tweaking the corner radius. You can also increase or decrease the top and bottom padding, and if you're comfortable with code, you can add custom CSS for more advanced styling. You can also click directly on the contact form in the preview on the right. This opens more specific options. Here, you can control the width on desktop and mobile, choosing between fit or a custom size. You can toggle whether the form inherits the section's color scheme, and you can fine-tune padding on the top, bottom, left, and right to get the spacing just right. If you click on the contact form title in the preview, you'll get options to edit the text itself, including rich text formatting like bold or links, depending on your theme. You can adjust the layout by changing width, maximum width, and alignment. Choose a typography preset and color, toggle a background on or off, and again, refine the padding on all sides. When you're happy with the way everything looks, don't forget the most important step. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. That will publish your updated contact form and ensure your new email and styling changes are live on your store.